Okay, so here it is, Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I've had it for about 3 years. Got the glass on both sides. I did watch a couple videos about how to take it apart. Let me get started. Let's see what happens. Alright, so what I got here is a Macy's $10 off. Huh? See that? This junk mail is good for something. So you need something really thin. It will fit in this teeny little crack beside the glass here. And so this is kind of like almost laminated. It's got like a plastic coating on it maybe, but it's just paper, but it's thin and stronger than just a piece of paper. So I'm just gonna like stick it in this little crack here. Oh, don't want to go in there. Let's try another spot. It's really tight there. So you just start peeling in like this. See that? You can see, I don't know if you can see this. Jam that in there. See, it goes in. Oh, it's sticky. I can feel it. See how much it went in already? And just work this around. Work this all the way around until you get the glue. All the glue out. Just keep working it around. Take your time. Work this around. All the way around the glass. Carefully, because it is glass. It's really thin glass, so it will crack. I mean, if you want to save it, you just keep working this, whatever you can do to work this around as much as you can and get glue out of here. Okay, so I've been working at this for a while here, trying to get this off, and I'm getting it to the point where I can put something thicker in here, like, you know, just a folded up piece of paper here, just to kind of hold it open in this spot while I pry elsewhere. Look, see, that's real loose there now. So now I'm gonna get, this is like a plastic sleeve that had a drill bit in it, I don't know. But it's thin and stronger too, so I can keep working this around. Just keep working this till you slowly get it to lift a little bit more. Look, I got a crack. Not a crack, but I got a gap where I can work it. Working it around, slowly getting bigger gap, but don't pull too hard. You know, oh, there we go, I got it. It didn't break. So let's keep working it. The top here seems to be glued the best. It's kind of hard to get the focus. The glue off the top here, but if I can pick up the back enough and kind of, instead of lift up, it might crack it. I'm gonna just try to rotate it, you know, because this glass will be strong like this. Yep, see that? See that? Ha ha ha! And there's the glass, unbroken. Got it off. This is a fingerprint sensor, still on there. Yeah, there's the glass off.